Hey friends, if Windows services will not start on your Windows computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So what are Windows services? Search for services in the Windows search bar, and this is the services menu. But if it doesn't work, then you don't have many options. The first option is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. This is for the sfc scan. The second one is clean boot, just to isolate the probability of third-party interference. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, click on apply, and then click on OK, and then click on restart. The last option is a cloud reset. So here's what we can do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery and then click on reset PC, and then select remove everything, and finally select cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.